It is essential to have an Android backup software or app for safekeeping. With these tools, you can restore your data with no worries when file missing occurs. Okay, this easy tutorial provides the top 8 Android backup utilities to keep Android content safe from harm. Top 1. Best Android backup software: Android Backup and Restore. As the best Android phone backup software for PC or Mac, Mobikin Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac is a comprehensive Android desktop backup creator. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the program on your computer. Connect Android via USB. Follow the guide to recognize your phone. Step 2. Tap Backup on the main interface. View the list of data types. Step 3. Now, you can check any file types and tap Browser to set the location of your PC or Mac. Lastly, you can click Backup to save the Android stuff to your computer. If you want to restore your Android phone from the backup you made, just get into the main window of the program, tap Restore, and choose the file categories from the backups. Next, click Restore again to put the chosen items from your computer into Android. Top 2. Android Phone Backup Software Assistant for Android. As a light and intuitive tool, Mobikin Assistant for Android Win and Mac aids you in backing up and managing your Android phones or tablets straight from the PC or Mac. Top 3. Android Backup App: Super Backup and Restore. Super Backup and Restore is one of the best apps to back up Android phones to PCs/Macs. It has options that allow you to back up files individually, including contacts, apps, SMS, playlists, call logs, bookmarks, settings, etc. Top 4. Backup Software for Android: MobileEdit. As a decent tool to let PC back up Android data and apps, MobileEdit can automatically safeguard your Android device while you browse the program. Top 5. Mobile Backup Software: Mobirobo. With Mobirobo, a remarkable backup and restore Android software. You can preserve your call logs, contacts, messages, images, music, files, and even apps. It also offers a fast and secure data restoration facility. Top 6. Android Backup Tool: Mobogeny. Being a free manager and alternative app designed specifically for your Android cell phones, Mobogeny includes useful extras such as photos, music, videos, and document controllers. Top 7. Backup App for Android: Mobisynapse. Mobisynapse is an Android backup software allowing you to back up apps, SMS, and contacts from your Android phone onto your PC. It integrates with Outlook seamlessly. Top 8. App to back up Android: Syncdroid. Syncdroid is an amazing product that lets you transfer, back up, edit, manage, and view Android backup files on a PC. This Android backup app facilitates you to transfer contacts, photos, call logs, messages, and other data between your phone and PC.